this demo, we're going to look at passing extra options to John the Ripper to help speed up the password auditing process. So first, we have a set of files that we're going to use. And in this case, we're going to use this one here. And these password hashes are in MD5 format. So let's move into the opt bypass directory. Type in Python 3 and then bypass. So now we're going to go ahead and put in some options. We're going to use -V for verbose as before, and -F for format. And these are raw MD5. And then we'll do -I and the name of the file that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and start this without any extra options and then stop the program. One of the messages that came back from John the Ripper was that there wasn't any OpenMP support for this particular hash type, which in this case is the MD5. But it tells us that we can use the fork command to send parts of the file off to different CPU cores and let those work on the problem independently, and then John can combine the results back at the end. This can speed up the process considerably. So we're going to go ahead and add in one more option, and that's the -J for John. And we're going to pass through the following command, fork equals 4, as suggested by John. We'll be sure to pass it in quotes so that none of the symbols are accidentally interpreted by bash as some kind of command to execute. We just want to pass this string through using the -J option. We'll go ahead and hit enter, and bypass will start as usual. So we'll notice what happens is as it's going through the different modes, it splits the file up into 4 different parts. And now we have different CPU cores that are working on those smaller pieces individually in parallel. And this will speed up the results quite a bit. We notice that we cracked about the same amount of passwords, but the duration was a little bit less than half as long as it would normally take. Also, the passwords cracked per second about doubled, which makes sense considering the time dropped to about half. So this technique will not necessarily allow you to crack any more passwords, but simply speed up the process. If a password hash has good OpenMP support, allow that option to go ahead and play through. But if John suggests using the fork method because OpenMP is disabled, then try this technique and see if it does increase the speed of the process.